So, as I've got some time off today, I thought I'd show you around my Escort MK2 1600 Sport. She's a South African import. She's pretty standard in a lot of ways, but she's also had some quite nice mods. But let's go and have a look. Okay, so here she is. A nice colour, nice brown colour, 1600. Escort badges are in good condition. First tuning mod at the back here, we've got lowering blocks, as you can see. 3-inch lowering blocks at the back, make the stance look very nice. Moving on from there, considerable weight saving at the moment. I cut quite a lot of steel out of the chassis. Just left the important parts just for strength and rigidity. As we move up towards the block, this is the heart of the whole machine. This is a nice 1600 Sport 711M block in stock tune. Pushes out about 84 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and about 128 newtons of torque at 3,500 RPM. But with the tuning mods, I've gone with the blue paint and the chrome colour, and the fact that I've made considerable weight saving with the chassis. This baby at the moment's pushing out about 840 brake horsepower per ton. So you'll agree it's no slouch on the track. Moving forward, just to get all that power down and help the steering, we've got a wheel cross member with the lowered mounts. We've got the red performance fan, balanced and lightened. That itself adds about 40 horsepower. Got rid of the radiator, don't need that. That's just extra weight. Genuine tags, they're all there. Made of aluminium, so very light indeed at all. Doesn't affect the performance or the handling of the car at all. The only downside is it is running standard suspension at the moment. That is the weakest link really, that needs upgrading, but it is original springs and shocks in great condition. Also original discs and original hubs and probably original bearings. Certainly the bushes and the traction control arm here, they're original, still in great condition as you can see. And moving forward, just you can see like the extent of the weight saving. It does make a huge difference. I do recommend it if you do have an Escort MK2 and you really want to go quick. The best thing you can do is get rid of as much weight as you can. Just keep it to the bare minimum. And that's what I've done here. Great little handler. Yeah, so there you go. Hope to see you on the track soon. If you do see me, good luck, because you're going to struggle to keep up, but have fun trying. With an Escort MK2, especially with its age now, the good thing you can do is when you're working on the engine and you need a little bit more space in your carriage, what you can do is actually put your Escort in a box, and that's what I've done here. Just tucked it away all nice, kept all the parts together there so I don't mislay them or lose them. But they're all in there. Everything you saw there on the floor is in the box, nicely stacked away. Obviously some parts won't go in the box. We've still got the exhaust down there. The new engine modifications there on the 1600 block is sitting over there and over here. I've got some new brakes to go on, and I've still got the standard wheels over here as well. Performance brakes are a bit of an upgrade for the Escort. And the big problem I'm having now is the fact, that the brake discs don't exactly fit inside the wheels. But that's easily solved. Just put some wheel spacers on, bring the wheels away from the discs and the calipers, and it will be as good as rain. Brilliant. So I've spent the day in the garage today working on the Escort. The last video I showed you around. Today, having watched that video, I was thinking that maybe I could work on the engine a little bit just to tune it up a bit more, just to give it a bit more power. What I've actually gone for is I've changed the head. I've gone for a Honda 16 valve variable valve timing head. That took a little bit of fitting to the block, so I had to alter the block a little bit, and what I've gone for is a Honda S2000 block with that particular head. And also, just to make things a little bit easier, I've also gone with the Honda S2000 inlet manifold. And as you can see now, the mods have taken shape The engine's looking quite good. There is still quite a lot of original parts still on here. This temporary tape is original. I think this is original. I think there's some other screws. I think maybe this tissue was original. So because of all the changes to the engine, I've gone with the Honda gearbox as well. 6-speed gearbox. That's just to make the mating of the engine and the gearbox easier without having to get a new barrel housing or anything like that to get the Escort's 4-speed box onto the back of the Honda. Yeah, so quite happy with that. I'm interested to see how it goes. I think with the sort of mods I've done, I think we should be looking at about 240 horsepower. Still need to get a manifold, and the only thing, yeah, I changed the sump there. Surprisingly, it didn't go with a Honda sump. It's a race engine design sump, dry sump kit. The pump is in a box somewhere, but yeah. So, you know, little things make a big difference, and we'll see how it goes once it's all up and running.